guys, this is the Awesome Date. Got back from school, made a video for. So today at school, 7th period is good. Nothing bad with Miss Bogman. First period, good. We had a substitute. The last time I saw that substitute, had him for band, and he fell asleep. And then so, 7th period good, 3rd period good, 4th period good, and all the rest. But in 7th period, we were watching a movie, and then this giant fire drill came out. It scared the crap out of me. So as we're walking and talking to my friend, I said, hey dude, just imagine, what if you're in the bathroom and that happens? You know? So, yeah, that scared the crap out of me. So, yeah. Why don't you guys tell me about your day at school? Leave me some video responses. Yeah. Yeah, if you haven't, go check out us, Great Boy 51 and Tayberry 9598 and Gene Dawson. So yeah, give me some video responses telling me how your day is at school. So yeah, so for now I am the Awesome Date, and goodbye YouTube.